Welcome back to day 8 of 12 days of JavaScript, and today we've got a fun one where we just want to write a function called common elements that accepts two arrays as arguments, and the function should return a new array containing the elements that are found in both of the input arrays. So as an example here, we've got common elements and we're passing in two arrays. This one is of strings and the other is numbers. And actually, if I just take the bottom one, we've got 1, 4, 5, 7 in the first array, and the second array has 5, 8, 3, 1. So what we would want to do is go through that and output 1 and 5 in an array, because 5 and 5 and 1 and 1, vice versa. So that's the problem. Hopefully that makes sense. So common elements. So sorry, as always, this problem and then the solution as well, which I come up with, will be in the GitHub repo below if you'd like to have a look. Otherwise, stick around because I'll be going through this now. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you've got a better or even just a different solution. I'm sure there's quite a few ways we could do this, but I'm going to probably go through, I think, one of the more simple ways. So yeah, let's do that now. So obviously we're returning a new array. So what I'm just going to do is let common arr equal an empty array here, just to initialize that. And we're going to return that down here. So common arr, like so. And if I run this for now, we're just returning two empty arrays, as you can see here in the console output. So resetting that, what do we want to do? Well, we want to go through both of the arrays really, but we can do that by going through just one of them. So let's do that. So we'll do a simple for loop. So let I equal 0, whilst I is less than array1 dot length. We'll do I++. So we're going to go through the array 1 first, and we're going to go through each element and basically just check, does it exist within this array? And if it does, we're going to add it to common array. Otherwise, we'll skip over it and not do anything. So we're looping through all of them. So as I said, we just want a simple if check to do if array2 dot includes, and then we want to check if array1 at position I, as we're looping through, if that dot includes, as in is included within array2, that's what this method will return true, or I guess a positive value. We can check that. What do we want to do? We want to do common dot push, and we want to push array1 at position I. So let me just firstly fire this off, and we haven't got common array. So there we go. We can see we're returning C and D, and then 1 and 5 for each of these. So that's the correct output, but I just wanted to just show you what includes actually returns. So I'm going to do console.log, and if we do that, and that should return, we've got a syntax error. Oh, sorry, there's a missing bracket there. So yeah, it does. It returns true or false, so a Boolean value. And as you can see, we're going through, and this is the second item here. So we're going through this one. Is this item, so 1, is that included within this array? It is, so it returns true. So we fire this logic where we push number 1 to our empty new array over here. Then we go number 4. Is 4 included in this array? It's not, so we return false. And then we're checking 5. 5 is in this array, so we return true and push it to our new array. And then 7 finally isn't in the array, so we skip over that. We don't run this logic, and then we just return a common array at the end. So yeah, cleaning it up a little bit, I'll just click tidy here. That's my logic to solve this one. Let me know, as I said, in the comments below if you came up with a better solution for that. But yeah, hopefully that helps, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.